Ano yung mga dapat mong i-ano? When you set the goal, SMART, di ba? Simple, measurable, attainable, realistic, and mind-trained. Guys, take it seriously. I'll give you a chance to write your goals right now. Okay? Planning should be second nature to you. Fast is slow. Slow is fast.
Maganda yung sinabi ng Engineer Paolo, no? Nasa isang positive vibe room tayo. And then we go home and we leave yung reality ulit. Maraming ulit negatives, no?
Our IT team will be presenting a video and once you see your name, huwag na kayo mahiya. Promoted na kayo.
Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, sabihin natin Linville 20 years. 1, 2, 3, Linville 20 years!